Hey guys, welcome back to Sidewalks of America. And today on the show, Jack gets crafty. So, let's dive right in here. So, today we will be making Pom Poms. Homemade Pom Poms. Now, the materials you're going to need for this is you're going to need scissors. They don't have to be these tiny scissors. These are specially made scissors for pom-poms. You're gonna, of course, need your yarn, and then you're gonna need these things. They're called pom-pom makers. They're very cheap. You can get them on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description below. Basically, what you do is you take this and you wind string around it over and over again. So today we're going to be making a pom-pom of this size using this lime green yarn. And so yeah, I'm going to speed up the process because I'm going to be winding around. So basically the first step is you're going to take one of these halves and you're going to just basically wind round and round and round until you'll just wrap and wrap and wrap. Alright, now that we have wrapped one side of our pom-pom, we are going to snip this part off. I usually press it up against the normal pom-pom, make sure not to cut any of it. Then you'll close this to just keep it sealed and that extra string that's poking out not from falling out. So then you're going to repeat that step again, but with this side of the pom-pom maker. So now that we have this part done, like we did the other side, we're going to close this up. And so now your pom-pom so far should look like this. Doesn't look very pom-pommy yet. So next we're going to take one of our scissors. So we're going to go in right here where there's this little thing, and we're going to put our scissors down and we're going to snip away. Make sure that pom-pom stays tight and closed as so. Alright, so now your pom-pom should look like this. So then you're gonna take your yarn again. You're gonna wrap it up like so around this crease of the donut pom-pom maker device. You're gonna wrap it around that like so. And then you're just gonna tie and tighten. And you're gonna pull really tight like so. Make sure it's really tight, because if it's not really tight, it's not gonna work. And you're gonna wrap it around back to the other side, and you're gonna pull really tight again, and then you're gonna do it in the same spot that you just did, and you're gonna tie it one last time so it'll knot it in there. There you go. So now that we got that, you're going to take this string, you're going to cut this. So you're going to cut that string that was poking out, and then you're going to cut this off of the big yarn. And then you're just going to open it up, like so. And then you're going to pull the pom-pom maker apart. What you're gonna do now is you're just gonna kind of mess around, like roll it in your hand. And this will make it nice and poofy for you. Oh dear, I dropped it. You might be thinking, well Jack, what about all these access strings? That kind of looks really bad. So we're gonna take these scissors. I call them my pruning scissors. I don't actually call them that I just said that for this video. And I'm gonna take all the super long strings, I'm gonna snip them off. And the super long string, you can choose to keep it if you want to like hang it or just like bounce it and stuff like that. Or you can cut it off. I'm gonna cut it off for this one. This is a better example of one that I've already sheared. It's kind of been laying around for a while. So thanks for watching this video for Sidewalks for America. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and also if you want to make pom-poms yourself, don't forget that you can go on the link in the description, and on Amazon it'll send you to a link where you can buy these cool pom-pom making makers. So yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.